Hello, a volume unit, also known as wallpaper, is a device displaying a representation of the signal level in audio equipment. This time I will show you how to make a stereo wallpaper with 49 bars on each channel. The device is made according to the KT Audio wallpaper by Thomas Kamotsai, where you can also download the original code. In this case, I modified the code so that now the wallpaper is made with a large LCD display. I also made small changes to the visual appearance of the bars. In the video you can see the appearance of several versions. You can also create your own look with very small changes in the code. At the input, I add a stereo potentiometer to control the input signal. The device is very simple to build and contains only a few components. Arduino nano microcontroller, 40:2 big LCD display with HD 44780 chip, stereo potentiometer and several resistors and capacitors. The advantages of this device are that it is easy to build and there is fairly accurate representation of sound level. It can also be easily connected to a do-it-yourself amplifier or preamplifier. Disadvantages are linear presentation of the volume level from around -14 decibels to 0 decibels. And not accurate enough for true representation for studio or usage where accuracy is essential. And now let's see how the device works in reality. In addition, we will follow the way of making the device.